This is a must-visit cafe in SM North EDSA. Great ambience, coffee, yummy Korean snacks and dessert. Kaya very impressed kami when we visited Cafe Jangyum in SM North EDSA. Sa Skydome area lang siya kaya hindi kayo mahihirapang hanapin to. Medyo mainit that day, but when we entered this cafe, sobrang na-refresh kami. The service is fast and mababait ang staff. Most importantly, hindi lang Instagrammable ang food, masarap din. This is their Dalgona Latte. Bittersweet yung taste niya because of the honeycomb toffee candy topping. Another must try here is this Shoe Cream Latte. It's a cold espresso latte topped with sweet and thick custard-flavored cream. Dahil hindi pa kami nag-lunch, umorder din kami nitong bacon carbonara. This is a very classic creamy carbonara, garnished with chili powder for a unique flavor. We also tried this classic Korean snack, bunggopang. This is the chocolate flavor. Love the crispy outer texture, tapos moist and soft on the inside with a not too sweet chocolate feeling. Ito naman yung classic red bean. Mas prefer ko lang yung chocolate flavor kasi mas matamis itong red bean. If you watch my videos, alam nyo na sobrang hilig ko sa roast tteokbokki. Mas special to compared sa ibang natikman ko kasi it has Korean sausage, veggies, fish cake, and tteokbokki. This garlic cheese toast is so soft, garlicky, cheesy, and buttery. Good news, may tanghuli din sila. Isa to sa mga favorite ko ngayon. Ang sarap, very fresh, ang tamis ng strawberry. Tapos yung sugar coating manipis lang. Alam nyo na what to try next.